Hey Ria, are you free?
Yes, I am.
Shall we go to the supermarket?
Yes, I need some things.
Great, let's go together.
Do you have a shopping list?
Yes, I wrote one.
What's first on the list?
Milk and bread.
Okay, the bakery is here.
This bread looks fresh.
Yes, take 2 packets.
Do we need eggs?
Yes, 1 dozen.
Let's go to the dairy section.
Here is the milk.
Should we buy yogurt too?
Yes, I want 2 cups.
What next on the list?
Rice and oil.
The rice bags look heavy.
Don't worry, I'll lift them.
Thanks.
Which oil do you want?
Sunflower oil.
I found it.
Do we need vegetables?
Yes, tomatoes and onions.
The tomatoes look fresh.
Let's take 1 kilo.
And onions?
Half kilo is enough.
Do we need fruits?
Yes, some apples.
These apples look sweet.
Let's take 4.
Do you want bananas?
Yes, 1 bunch.
Anything else?
Yes, some snacks.
Here are the chips.
I want chocolate too.
Okay, put it in the basket.
Are we done?
Let's check the list.
Everything is done.
Let's go to the billing counter.
The line is long.
Yes, but it's moving fast.
Finally, shopping is done.
Hi, are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I am.
Which bus are you taking?
Bus number 25.
Same here.
Nice, we can wait together.
Do you know the timing?
It usually comes at 8:30.
It's already late today.
Yes, maybe traffic.
Do you go to work every day?
Yes, Monday to Saturday.
That's a long week.
Yes, but I'm used to it.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's okay.
How far is your office?
Around 10 kilometers.
Mine, it's closer.
That's good.
Do you bring lunch from home?
Yes, my mom cooks.
Lucky.
What about you?
I buy outside.
That can be expensive.
Yes, I know.
Do you prefer bus or bike?
Bus, it's safer.
Yes, true.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, not too hot.
Sometimes I enjoy waiting here.
Me too. It's peaceful.
Do you read books?
Yes, I love reading.
Nice.
What about you?
I listen to music.
That's relaxing.
Hey, I think the bus is coming.
Yes, I see it too.
Finally.
Let's get ready.
Do you usually get a seat?
Sometimes.
I hope today we do.
Fingers crossed.
The bus stopped.
The bus stopped. Hi, are you new here?
Yes, it's my first day.
Welcome to the company.
Thank you.
What's your name?
I'm Arav.
I'm Sneha.
Nice to meet you.
Let me show you around.
That would be great.
This is the reception.
Nice.
Over there is the manager's cabin.
Okay.
And this is the meeting room.
It looks big.
Yes, we have many meetings.
Good to know.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, please.
The coffee machine is here.
Thank you.
Where do you live?
Not far from here.
That's convenient.
Yes, very.
Do you have experience?
Yes, 2 years.
Good.
What team are you in?
Marketing team.
I'm in the same team.
Oh, nice.
Who is our team lead?
It's Mr. Varun.
Is he strict?
No, he's friendly.
That's good.
Your desk is here.
It looks neat.
You will get your computer soon.
Okay.
Let me know if you need anything.
Sure, thank you.
Lunch break is at 1 p.m.
Got it.
We all eat together.
That sounds nice.
Welcome once again.
Thank you so much. Hi, Mom. I'm home.
Welcome back.
How was your day?
It was good.
I'm tired.
Go freshen up.
Okay.
Do you want tea?
Yes, please.
I'll make it.
Where is Dad?
He's reading the newspaper.
What about Grandma?
She's resting.
Today was a busy day.
What happened?
Lots of work.
Did you eat lunch?
Yes, I did.
Good.
What's for dinner?
Rice and curry.
Nice.
Do you want snacks now?
No, I'll wait.
Okay.
Did anyone call me?
Yes, your friend.
Which friend?
Rohan.
Okay, I'll call him later.
Sure.
Is the TV working?
Yes, your dad fixed it.
Great.
Do you want to watch something?
Maybe later.
How is your new project?
It's going well.
I'm happy to hear that.
What did you do today?
Cleaning and cooking.
You work a lot.
It's okay.
I'll help after dinner.
That's sweet of you.
When is dinner?
In 30 minutes.
Okay, I'll rest a bit.
Sure, relax.
Excuse me, is this the reception?
Yes. How can I help you?
I want to see the doctor.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't.
Please fill this form.
Okay, thank you.
What is your problem?
I have a fever.
Since when?
Since yesterday.
Do you have cough?
Yes, a little.
Okay. Wait for 10 minutes.
Sure.
The doctor will call you.
Thank you.
Please go to room 4.
Okay.
Hello, come in.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. What's the problem?
I have fever and cough.
Let me check your temperature.
Okay.
It's a little high?
Is it serious?
No, just a viral infection.
That's a relief.
Do you have body pain?
Yes, a little.
I'll give you medicine.
How many days?
3 days.
Should I take rest?
Yes, drink more water.
Okay, doctor.
Do you have any other problems?
No, that's all.
Take care.
Thank you.
Are you done?
Yes.
Please collect the medicine.
From where?
From the pharmacy.
Okay, thank you.
Here are your medicines.
Thanks.
I will go home and rest now.
Are you hungry?
Yes, very hungry.
Let's go to a restaurant.
Good idea.
Do you like this place?
Yes, it looks nice.
Let's sit here.
Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Here is the menu.
Thank you.
What do you want to eat?
I'm thinking.
The biryani looks good.
Yes, I might take that.
I want paneer curry.
Nice choice.
Are you ready to order?
Yes.
What would you like?
1 paneer curry and roti.
1 chicken biryani.
Anything to drink?
Lime juice.
Same for me.
Okay, please wait.
The place is crowded.
Yes, it must be popular.
The food smells good.
I can't wait.
Here is your food.
Looks delicious.
Yes, amazing.
Taste it.
Wow, it's very good.
My paneer is tasty too.
The lime juice is refreshing.
Yes, I like it.
Do you need anything else?
No, we're fine.
Yes, thank you.
Shall we order dessert?
Not today.
Okay.
Shall I bring the bill?
Yes, please.
Here it is.
I will pay.
Next time, I will pay.